Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Asia's songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez.
Of a far-off place where a hero so welcome would be waiting for me, and the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where we're meant to be." When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Done an undone road to embrace my fate, though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'd stay intact. No, I won't accept defeat. Thank you very much, our songbird, Miss Regine.
Please welcome once again our songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez.
I couldn't see the sunshine through the shadows. I couldn't seem to find a soul to care, and in my darkest hour, you touched me with your power.
the sunrise. I only know it takes away the dawn. I can't explain your healing or all the joy I'm feeling. I only know you come into my heart. The light